Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good. In today's video, I am going to share with you a homemade Ubtan. If you are going to be a bridal or guest in any wedding or any function, you can use this Ubtan. Homemade Ubtan gives you an instant glow on your face and your face look shiny on the function. So in the first step, I am going to share with you how to make this Ubtan and then how to apply on your face and the after results. So without further ado, let's get started the video. Here I have the first ingredient, that is a rice flour, chawal ka atta. This is the 2 tablespoon I'm going to add in here. That is gram flour, that is also a 2 tablespoon. I'm going to add this in here. The third ingredient is this orange dal powder, that is moong dal. So I take 2 tablespoons of this dal and grind in a mixie so I get the powder. Next I'm going to add a 1 tablespoon of milk powder. You can use any milk powder. Next I'm going to add a pinch of haldi, that is turmeric. It's only a pinch. Next I'm going to add a coffee powder, that is 1.5 tablespoon. I'm going to mix this all dry ingredients. Give it a good mix. So your Ubtan is ready. Powder, you can store this powder in a jar and take a little amount when you want to use it and mix it with the milk and you can apply it. So you can store this powder for as long as you want and just take a little amount and then use it. So I'm going to take a 1.5 tablespoons like this in separate bowl and I'm going to keep this. So here is a 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to add a milk. This is the raw milk. I'm going to add and make a paste. Let's mix for 3 to 4 minutes. Time to apply this Ubtan on my face with a brush. I'm going to leave for 20 minutes and then wash it. You can use this Ubtan on your face, on your hands, on your feet. I think half a tablespoon is enough for your face. I take bit more. So it's been 20 minutes now. I'm going to wash this. It's a bit dry, so I'm going to wash it now. This is the result after washing my face. I didn't dry my face to show you the result. See the result in close. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like the video and stay tuned for the next one.